My name is Chris Cannon, General Manager of the W Atlanta Downtown. Today we're taking the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge, and we were nominated by our very own Jermaine Nix of our style department, and we accepted that challenge. Not only do we accept the challenge, we're going to make a donation to the ALS Foundation. Additionally, today, right here, right now, we're making a challenge out to the W Atlanta Buckhead, W Atlanta Midtown, W South Beach, and W Fort Lauderdale. Remember, you got 24 hours to make that challenge or pay up. Now let's go raise some awareness and some money for this great cause. And remember, my mom always said, go big or go home. So let's go.